So, good morning. I'm Nir, the CEO and the co-founder of Cutting Edge, the world leader in chip design and manufacturing. I will introduce my dream team, the executive staff. The CFO is a talent guy, just came from the IDF, and he's professional and
From Air Force, not IDF.
Okay, sorry. The marketing manager is Oshrit, which is bringing us a huge experience from her previous work in IBM, and the COO is Moshe, which worked previously in large companies such as HP and many other companies. And the VP R&D, which is currently in Africa studying the market, and we will get back into it later, is Mital. So first of all, we are the first and the leader in the game. We have approximately 47.8, approximately, this is from tonight, market share on the chip market, and you can see the sales and the revenue per quarter. We start a little bit later because our strategy was to build by ourselves and not to buy from someone else and to be a dealer. We don't believe in dealing. We believe that a man should get to do what a man got to do, and this is our strategy to prove itself. We have a sales office all over, 3 in Europe, 3 in US, and 3 in Brazil. We have plants, 3 in the US, 1 in Europe, and 2 in Brazil. And our customers, first of all, the consumer, you can see it all over US, Europe, and Brazil, but also what is unique to our company is that we had a business with almost all the group here worldwide, except of one, and we frankly believe that they will do a business with us pretty soon. We have a few strategic customers like company number 5 and number 9, but all the company has done business with us, and it's one of our strengths. Here you can see a mixture. You see information from Q6 about our equity and current ratio, the risk level of our investment, and so on. And if we will have time, we can go deeper because we can say a lot about the finance. One important thing that I want to emphasize is that we believe in ongoing learning, and we did many mistakes, but we are doing an internal lesson learning process. After every quarter, we see what was done good and what could be done better, and we improve ourselves. We have a strong strategic alliances. We invest smartly on R&D, and it's one of our benefits, and more and more. Now, let's talk about Africa. Why we would like to go to Africa? Africa is a very large-scale market with huge potential. We know that on the highest segment there is very profitable, and we split or analyze the different potential market and what we would like to do and when. So the first market is high-end. We believe that we can take 80% of this market. It's only 50K pieces, but we believe that we can be with our customers in every piece is there.
3 minutes.
Okay, so I will skip. We'll do it gradually. We'll start with the high-end market, going smoothly to the mid-range, and eventually we'll take the entire market. The question is if a leading R&D company can make it, if it's a benefit for us or if it's disadvantage, because the major part of the African market is a low end. So we believe that we can offer something. Do you know this guy? This is Moore, and many years ago, in 1965, he defined a law. He defined that every 18 months, the industry will double itself in terms of performance, capacity, and so on. But we believe that we can do better. we believe that we can develop, and I can show it later on, silicon that will be 1/10 of the existing. We can improve the capacity by 6, and this will give us dramatic advantage on all the other competitors. We can see that in R&D, there are many, it's not fully updated because it's up to the previous quarter, but there are many companies that are holding R&D patents. Maybe this one can take it. He bought it from us. This didn't bought it from us, but he bought it from his 2 partners, which bought it from us, and so on. I can go over all the list, and you can see that we are the only R&D team that is not resting. We know how to do it. About the investment, we would like to build 6 plants in Africa. Also, it's not very efficient compared to other geography, but we believe that we can solve it. We want to build 2 new plants in Europe and 1 in Brazil, but we want to reinvest on our old plant and to improve our production efficiency. On the overall, we are asking for 45 million Swiss francs. About the evaluation, we didn't use a multiplier and all these very low-level or popular factors. We use DCF, and we can see that based on Q6, we can meet 64 million. With your investment in Q15, we together can get back 140 million Swiss francs, and if you have some patience and you're willing to wait for Q27, it will be over $1 billion company. Of course, your part, if you are calculating, it's 38%. So to conclude, we have an innovative and committed executive team. We have solid strategic alliances. We are R&D leaders, high production capacity, and high attention on risk management. I think that together we can do it, and it will be a win-win situation.
Thank you.